Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 6, subject Maths. We are now on exercise 11.4. Okay, so I have just read, but once again I will read the question part, question 3's part A, so that we can understand it clearly. Okay, so see here, given Munnu's age to be x years, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Okay, so we have little before we understand what it should be. Hint is given here. Think about Munnu's younger brother, or we can say sister also. Why should it be brother? It depends upon you. Okay, there are two options are there. So see here, I have written if Munnu's age is x years. Okay, so there are two options. X minus 2 may be his younger brother or sister's age. Is it right now? Because x minus 2 will be not its mother father's age. It will be not his uncle auntie's age, and 100% not his grandfather or grandmother's age. Then elder brother and elder sister, not possible. So it may be younger brother and or sister. Okay. Next option is x minus 2 is Munnu's age 2 years back. Is it right now? Consider today's your age and today, 2 years back what is your age? It is minus 2 from your today's age now. So Munnu's age is x. So x minus 2 is Munnu's age of 2 years back. Right now? Okay. Now next. Given Sarah's age today be y years. Okay. Think of her age in the future or in the past. Now, what will be the following expression indicate? Now we have to find its future or past age. Okay. So see here. Sarah's age in today's age is y years. Okay. So first option y minus y plus 7. So y plus 7 is it after today's after age or before age? After 7 years or before 7 years? Definitely after 7 years na. That means y plus 7 may be Sarah's age after 7 years. Okay. Now this option is not possible because in the question it has told us that you have to only consider her before and after age. Don't consider about her elder or brother or sister's age. Okay. So this option please tick it. It was not selected. So cross it. Okay. Now next. Y minus 3 may be Sarah's age 3 years back. Right now? If today's age is y, so y minus 3 will be the Sarah's age. Okay, Sarah's age 3 years back. Okay, it is not younger brother's age. Cross it please. Now next options. See, y plus 4 1 upon 2. It may be Sarita's age. It is plus, that's why it is after 4.5 years from today. Okay, this option is wrong. That's why I am not reading it. Y minus 2.5. That may be Sarita's age 2.5 years back. Get it? If it is minus, it is back, and it is plus, then it is after. Clear everyone? Fine. Let's see the C question. Given young student in the class likes the football, what may be the 2n shows and what may be the n upon 2 shows? Okay. So you have to consider another game. Suppose it is n upon 2. Okay. So n upon 2 may be the number of students like cricket, and take 2n as number of 2n may be the number of students which like volleyball, or take another game. Okay. So now we have completed exercise 11.4. Once again I will most of the time I have told you, but once again I will told you to read and understand the statements and expression. Okay, these things are important now, because we have to study more, that is next steps of the expression and that statements. Okay, so we have to form the equations and then solve it. So for that we have to perfect in our this basic concept. Get it? So let's start the next topic. Now what is an equation? So just a few seconds ago I have told you about the equation. So see here, let us recall the mastic pattern of L. In the first topic we have studied about the pattern of L. Two girls are making with the help of mastic, right now? So see figure 11.1. For our convenience we have 11.1 redrawn here. Once again it is drawn here. The number of mastics required for different L formed was given in table 1. We repeat table here. So same table is repeated here. For 5L we have to arrange 10 mastics. For for 8Ls we have to arrange 16 mastics. Okay. We know that the number of mastics required we know that the number of mastics required is given by the rule 2n if n is taken as the number of L's formed. Okay. Now Appu always thinks differently. He asked, we know how to find the number of mastics required for a given number of L's. So what about the other way? To found, how does one find the number of L's formed given the number of mastic? We ask ourselves a definite questions. So here in the previous topic we have same question is arise there. Okay, so let's think about it. We how many L's are formed if number of mastics 10 is given? If mastics are 10, so how many L's will form? So it is 5. So this means we have to find out L's. The given number of mastics are 10. That means 2n is equal to 10. Okay. So here we have the condition to satisfy the variable, satisfy by the variable n. This condition is an example of an equation. Okay. So our question can be answered by looking table 1. Look at the various value of n. The number of mastic is 2. Okay, clearly conditions is not satisfied because 2 is not 10. So go on checking. So our equation is 2n is equal to 2n is equal to 10. So we have to put the values of n starting from 2. Okay, so we have first of all put 2 as n. So it is 2 to the 4. So is it 4 and 10 are equal? No. Then take the value of n as 3. 3 to the 6. 10 and 6 are equal? No. Again take the value of n as 4. So 4 to the 8. Is its condition satisfied? No. Next take the value as 5. 2 5 are 10. So here 10 and 10. It is satisfied, right? If we take, of course it is not necessary to take the next values, but it is given. So let's see, if you take the value 6, then it is 6 to the 12. So 12 and 10 are equal? No. Then we have to take here 7. 2 7 the 14. 14 and 10 are equal? No. So in such a condition, only when we take n is equal to 5, then and then only the condition is satisfied. Understand everyone? Okay, so let's see the next. We find that only if n is equal to 5, the condition, that is the equation 2n is equal to 10 is satisfied. For any value of n other than 5, the equation